Hello, this is NathanAhn, and today we'll be going over the circle problems today. And the first section is lines, segments, and rays. So number one, it would be a line. And the reason why is because a line is continuous, and the drawing here shown is continuous on both sides. For number two, it would be a ray. And the reason why it's a ray is because it has a point and one side will be continuous. And for number three, it would be a segment. And the reason why it's a segment is because it's made up of 2 points. And number 4, it would also be a ray. The reason why is because it's still continuous on one side. And for the next section, how many lines are in this picture? There would actually be 0 lines in this picture because none of the lines showed are continuous. And for part A, how many segments? There would actually be 3 different segments. And those 3 segments are AB, BC, CA. And number 2, how many lines are in this picture? There would actually be also 0 lines because there'll be 0 lines because none of the lines here shown are continuous. And also same for number 3, how many lines are in this picture? There would also be still 0 lines because both the sides are not continuous. But how many segments there are? There would also be 0 segments. And the reason why is because there's no 2 points that ends at it. And how many rays? There would actually be 2 rays because you can see 2 different directions it goes, the line. Now explain the difference between a line, ray, and segment. So a line would be continuous on both sides. A ray would be continuous on one side. And a segment would just end between two, would have only 2 points. And for number 2, if I had 2 different points, how many ways could I draw a line between them? You could only have one way because if you have 2 points, it will make a segment instead of a line. And for number 3, can you find lines in the real world? And no, it is not technically possible. And the reason why is because we don't have anything in the real world that is continuous and, well, continues to stretch on for infinity. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.